happy Easter going out to Marty Mazer from son-in-law Larry and daughter Francine Kutas. Also, happy Easter going out to LB, Greg, and family. And special Easter wishes going out to Jules, his wife, Sophie, son Frank.
You're lucky I'm here for you. Once again, I pulled you out of the lurch.
These are all coming or going out to Grimsby, Ontario. And a happy Easter to everyone in general coming from the Kazmierczak family. Happy Easter going out to grandchild Joseph, Paul, Noah, Jonathan, Laura, from Grandma Ellen and Grandpa Art and Auntie Beck. They're inviting everyone that can come out to DPU for...
DPU?
Yeah.
What time?
Well, they've got big banners.
Tell them to call me back. Tell them to call me back. You know me. If it's for free, it's for me.
That's correct.
You done?
And no.
Call me the polka sponge.
And a fifth birthday going out to Derek Martin Litwin. Best wishes are coming from Grandpa Tony, Grandma Terry, and Auntie Sandy.
To you. It's a little background music here. Hey, got to tell you that it's 12:30 straight down. You are in tune to WXRL Lancaster, New York. And this is the start of a segment being brought to you by Mishnick's Ryman Hall, 358 Ryman Street, corner of Michael in downtown Sloan. We're going to tell you all about Mishnick's within the next 15 minutes. Hey, on the radio, my name's Greg. Big Al's here. Happy Easter to you from Western New York's liveliest polka show, Polkamotion from WXRL. Oh, yeah, the Chi-Town boys. For you guys out of the Chi-Town Express, that's what it's titled, Na Zielonce. Na Zielone for Polkamotion and WXRL. Been a tough show already. I'm going to call it 12:34. You got a clock in front of you. What difference does it make? 65 degrees and sunshine from WXRL's Polkamotion. Looking for a high of 71 degrees. No chance of rain for Easter Sunday. So if you're having people over, put them outside. And don't forget to bring the radio because you won't want to miss a trick here from Polkamotion. And this segment now being brought to you by Mishnick's Ryman Hall, 358 Ryman Street, right at the corner of Michael in Sloan. And don't forget to come out and help celebrate Dingus Day at Mishnick's. Let me tell you about the lineup. Pussy Willows and great polka music. The Krupski brothers are going to be there. Wanda and Stephanie, America's Polka Sweethearts. And can't forget about Kenny Crew and Excellent Choice. Mishnick's will be an excellent choice tomorrow. Join in with all your friends and family out at Mishnick's because they'll be serving up the greatest in drink specials, plenty of great Święconka type food and Polish and other type cooking for you out at Mishnick's. And music, well, the Krupski brothers, Wanda and Stephanie, Kenny Crew and his Excellent Choice. It will be an excellent choice tomorrow. Thursday, you can get there about noon. It's going to last, I think, till about Thursday or so. That's what Chico and Gary and the crew from Mishnick's tells me. It's going to be one wild party at Mishnick's tomorrow. You heard the lineup. We're going to be telling you more about Mishnick's because this 15-minute segment is brought to you in its entirety by Mishnick's Ryman Hall. Oh, yeah, DPA, the Detroit Polka Authority, spinning their way into your hearts for you. That's one it's out of the Gray Mare Polka. Hey, on a segment brought to you by Mishnick's, we're going to get back to the Dynatones off of Chapter 7. To the off the album What a Works from the Dynatones from a couple of years back. This one is titled John the Baptist. Off the album Chapter 7, John the Baptist for you. 20 minutes in front of 1 o'clock on the second being brought to you by Mishnick's Lounge, 358 Ryman Street. It's called Mishnick's Ryman Hall. That's right at the corner of Michael and Sloan. You know, whatever your needs are for caterings or parties, you know, maybe it's a banquet, bowling banquet, a wedding, shower, bridal, or a baby shower, business meetings, communion parties, and graduations. Hey, why not host it at Mishnick's Ryman Hall, 358 Ryman Street? Your friends and family will be thoroughly impressed with not only the great service and food, but the great surroundings every single Sunday night. There's also great polka music from 6 until 10. Fridays, well, it's Chico and the Man from 9 until 1 in the morning with all your favorite music. Now, the place for fun and good food is Mishnick's Ryman Hall, 358 Ryman Street in Sloan. Coming from Buffalo, on Broadway, 1 block from Halstead is Michael. You turn right, go right to the end of the street. Now, if you're headed west on Broadway, a half a mile from Harlem Road is Michael. You make a left-hand turn and go right to the end and come on in to Michnik's Ryman Hall. Plenty of free parking for you and plenty of great times. Don't forget, tomorrow, you can start there in the afternoon and continue right up into the wee hours of the morning because they're going to be having a big Dingus Day celebration music while the Krupski brothers are going to be there. Wanda and Stephanie, America's Polka Sweethearts, plus Kenny Crew and his excellent choice. So your choice of 3, but a great choice in all 3 of them. Michnik's Ryman Hall, Dingus Day tomorrow. You can start there in the afternoon and go right through Tuesday morning if you like. Michnik's Ryman Hall bringing you this 15-minute segment of Polkamotion. Stash Belunda for you, his waltz medley. That's a pretty one at 12:45. That wraps up the segment brought to you by Michnik's Ryman Hall, 358 Ryman Street, corner of Michael and Sloan. Don't forget to join the entire Michnik's family. That's right, everybody is their family for their big Dingus Day celebration tomorrow. 12:46. Want to remind you that this is WXRL Lancaster, New York, and it's time for another round of dedications. Our very own Easter Bunny himself. His name is Big Al.
And a happy Easter going out to Mr. and Mrs. Chwojdak, also Barb Chwojdak. Best wishes are coming from Francine and Larry.
Didn't you do that already?
Yeah, but she says they didn't have the radio.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
And Louis Rapetta wishes Greg and his crew and his staff for an excellent show.
I like that, Louie. I like that, Louie. Called last week, said it's a great show.
You paid this guy.
I agreed with him wholeheartedly.
And a happy birthday going out to Sharon Zolnowski. Best wishes are coming from Carol, Cass, Helen, and friends. Happy Easter going out to all the Buffalo Polka Boosters from the officers and board members. And a special request going to Bob and Ken. Beware of a payback time.
This dedication $12.
No, this is dedication is coming from me. This person says me, not me. Excuse me.
$12.
Easter, happy Easter going out to B, Al, Greg, Barb, and family. Also going out to happy Easter going out to John, Tom, Karen, Jim, Donna, Bobby, Brendan. Best wishes are coming from Mom, Kaddish, and family. And a happy Easter going out to B, Al, Greg, and family. To all of our family and friends from all the bartenders. And a happy Easter going out to all the crew brothers from Joe. Happy Easter going out to Martha, Helen, Bensky. Best wishes are coming from Doug, Cheryl, son-in-law Jim from Cowsville, grandchildren Don, Jay, and David. And a happy birthday going out to Leon Muzinski. Best wishes are coming from Stella, John, Art, Dorothy, and the Barr family. And a happy 18th birthday going out to Timmy Visuta and Grandma and Grandpa Lenichak, Grandma and Grandpa Visuta, and family. And an 84th birthday going out to Anna Kaminsky. Best wishes are coming from all her grandchildren, family, and friends.
Are you done? 3 o'clock, that's it. Are you done? 681-1313 for any more dedications, in case we missed anybody in Western New York, you know.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet, join the parade to service that can't be beat.
Folks, want to remind you that the Buffalo Polka Boosters have backed off their meeting 1 week. The monthly meeting for the Buffalo Polka Boosters will be held Thursday, April the 30th. That's right, April the 30th, out at the Knights of Columbus, Father Nash Council, South Legion Drive in South Buffalo. Doors open up at 7 o'clock. Meeting starts at 8, and they'll have our annual Święconka. Music will be provided by the Gujaninos. The Gujaninos, we're renaming them for you. New members are always welcome. That's the annual Święconka for the Buffalo Polka Boosters, Thursday, April the 30th. 11 minutes in front of 1 o'clock. We got lots to do. And now we're going to call up Roy Fredericks, the entire group out of the New Brass. Off the album Brass Magic, originally done by Buffalo's very own Bobby Jasinski. This one entitled Hockey Style.
Come on, Stash and Mary Lou, let's all join John and Sue. Let's all watch them dance and sing. Let's all watch them do their thing. They're playing honky style songs as the beat goes on and on. Listen to that snare drum play. Everybody shout hooray! I'm gonna sing those honky style polkas. I'm gonna sing them each night and day. And when I come to the part that says I
style polka for you. The new brass on a Sunday afternoon. Easter Sunday it is. 65 degrees, sunshine, looking for a high of 71 today. It's going to be a great Sunday afternoon, folks. And you're invited to bring the family to the 16th Annual Polish Carnival at Assumption Church, 435 Amherst Street. And as I was more commonly corrected, in Black Rock, starting Monday, April the 20th. That's tomorrow. It's the big Dingus Day dance from 6 until 10 with music by the Buffalo Jacks. Tickets are $5 for a table of 10, only $40 in advance. I don't think it's enough time to get those advance tickets, but you can check it out on Wednesday, April the 22nd. It'll be Super Bingo at 7:30. Thursday, April the 23rd at 7:30. It's entertainment night featuring the comedy of the Improvabilities. And on Sunday, April the 26th, there'll be a Polish Mass at noon at the Assumption Church. From 1 until 6 o'clock, it'll be the Gala Carnival Bazaar featuring a taste of Polonia, Polish cuisine, a treasure trove, and a lot more. And at 1 o'clock, it's a card party in the Annex Building. So don't miss the 16th Annual Polish Carnival at Assumption Church, 435 Amherst Street in Black Rock. Ample parking is available in a parking lot right off of Peters Street. It's probably at the corner of Paul. For tickets and reservations, call Mary Lou at 875-7513 or the Rectory office at 875-7626. We'll be back right after this. Hey, folks, let me tell you about the first annual Dingus Day celebration at the Impacts. It's sponsored by the Impacts, Desiderios, and Miller Genuine Draft, and it takes place at the Impacts Nightclub, 652 South Ogden Street in Buffalo. Music from 4 in the afternoon till 4 in the morning by Vinny and the New Sounds. Grammy-nominated The Dynatones. From Canada, John Guda and Gurale and The News. Advanced ticket prices are $10, $12 at the door. Now, that includes 2 free drinks or 2 Miller Genuine Draft beers, a free Polish buffet served from 7:30 until 9, and the first 300 people receive a free T-shirt, souvenirs, and Pussy Willows. $1 shot specials all evening long, plus absolute vodka drink specials. Tickets are available at the Impacts or all Ticketmaster outlets from 4 in the afternoon till 4 in the morning. It'll be the first annual Dingus Day celebration at the Impacts Nightclub and Concert Theater, 652 South Ogden Street. Hey, are you informed about Polonia? Do you want to be better informed? Well, then subscribe now to the Ampol Eagle. For only $13 a year, you'll receive 52 subscriptions filled with timely information about the 350,000 Polish Americans that reside right here in this area. Publishing now for 29 years, they're the only weekly voice of Polonia. So subscribe now at this special rate to the Ampol Eagle. Send check or money order to the Ampol Eagle, 1335 East Delavan Avenue, Buffalo, New York, 14215. Hey, folks, 6 minutes in front of the hour, 1 o'clock. Got some time to tell you about a whole bunch of Dingus Day celebrations happening tomorrow. This one out at the Rescue Fire Hall, 72 Randolph Street, corner of Dote in Chwojdak, featuring from PA and even California, the exciting entertainment of the Polka family. They got a Grammy nominee. These guys are so good. And also from Buffalo, the fabulous G-Notes. So it'll be the Polka family, the Gusevich clan. Gonna be nice to see those guys again. And the guys from the fabulous G-Notes, that'll be open. Doors open up at 5. Music from 6 until 1 in the morning. Donations are $6 in advance, $7 at the door. Tickets are available at the Polish Villa. There are a couple left at 1085 Harlem Road in Chwojdak, or by calling 668-2847, 668-2847. Ask for Gary. That's the Polka family and the G-Notes tomorrow out at the Rescue Fire Hall. If you're heading out to Peway, the Polish Falcons having their annual Dingus Day party featuring Cityside, Happy Richie's Polka Band, and from Canada, John Guda and Gurale. Live music starts at 2 in the afternoon. Food will be available at Old Fashioned Bargain Price. Admission is $5. Plenty of free parking, and the public is welcome to attend. Let's see what else. We're going to tell you about this Dingus Day dance. Is the Knights of St. John's Christian Club, along with the Polka Pals minus Mr. Tuba, present their 4th annual Dingus Day dance Monday, tomorrow, April the 20th. Doors open up at 4. Music from 5 till 1 in the morning. Another Grammy nominee in Western New York, Toledo, Polkamotion, ripped off My Name, along with the guys from the Steel City Brass. That music from 5 till 1 in the morning, $5.50 in advance, $6.50 at the door. Call Ron Pollock at 856-9247 for tickets, 856-9247. Lots of great choices for you tomorrow. Right now, I want to wish some Easter wishes going out for Dick Molesky, coming especially from his son Tom, fiance Diane. That's Tom's fiance, not Dick's. Also Erica, Rachel, and Brittany.
She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish. She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish.
Hey, and a little extra money und con mine. These are the Dynatones off the album 15 and 9. One entitled She Likes Kielbasa. Plotzek, ham, butter, lamb, hard-boiled eggs, everything for Schwinsunka.
Moja luba lubi kielbasę. Moja luba loves it so. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my luba goes. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my luba goes. She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish. She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish. Moja sweetheart lubi kielbasę. Moja sweetheart loves it so. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my sweetheart goes. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my sweetheart goes. Moja staro lubi kielbasę. Moja staro loves it so. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my staro goes. She na obiad lub na kolację, wherever my staro goes. She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish. She likes kielbasa, that's her dish. She likes kielbasa better than fish.